As the Roman Empire weakened in the West, the church did not collapse. It endured. In fact, as imperial structures declined, the church became one of the most stable institutions in Europe. By the early Middle Ages, bishops were not only spiritual leaders, they were civic authorities. Monasteries preserved learning. Scripture was copied by hand. Classical texts survived because monks believed knowledge mattered. The church unified vast regions under shared belief and shared worship. But unity required structure. The Bishop of Rome gradually gained influence. Over time, the office we now call the papacy emerged as a central authority in Western Christianity. This authority was not formed overnight. It developed slowly, shaped by theology, politics, and necessity. In a fragmented world, people looked for stability. The church provided it. Cathedrals rose across Europe. Christian art shaped imagination. The sacraments structured life from birth to death. But alongside stability came tension. As the church accumulated land, wealth, and political influence, corruption appeared. Some leaders pursued holiness. Others pursued power. Reform movements arose within the church itself. Voices called for renewal, deeper devotion, and moral integrity. Throughout the Middle Ages, Christianity shaped law, education, art, and culture. Universities were founded under church authority. Theology developed with precision and depth. Thinkers like Thomas Aquinas sought to reconcile faith and reason. The medieval church was not simply dark or enlightened. It was both faithful and flawed. It preserved the gospel. It also struggled with authority and excess. This tension would eventually lead to one of the most significant turning points in Christian history. Reform. That story begins in the next episode.